issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 11 p.m. At 10:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Hanover Park to Naperville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Schaumburg, Skokie, Des Plaines, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Oak Park, Glenview, O'Hare Airport, Park Ridge, Calumet City, Elk Grove Village, Niles, West Town, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Austin, South Shore, Roseland, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, and Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Severe thunderstorm warning remains.